So you can have 2 bikes, 3 bikes or 4 bikes all set up like this, and you can fit it yourself. All you have to do is buy or purchase these kits. I'll put some links in here for you, and you can just fit it yourself. A couple of bolts, a few extra rails, and the Thule Pro Ride bike racks, right? They're sick, easy to use. I'll rip this one off and I'll show you more about it and how I fitted it. But in essence, it's so simple. You've got 2 ratchet straps that go over the wheels. So one here, one on the other end, and these are adjustable to fit different size bikes too, so you can slide them along the rails. And then you've got this support bar that goes up and down and has a clamp on it. So whatever size bike you want, you just slide the support bar up, twist this knob here, and it clamps down, and there's a release trigger on it as well, which I'll show you. So there you go. Let me get this bike off and I'll show you more of the rack and how I fitted it, yeah? All right, bike's off. Come in here and I'll show you how these work a bit better. So these are the ratchet straps. So all you do is put them through your wheel and click them down to tighten. That's the same either end. Now what you do when you fit them, if you've got 2 bikes, then you obviously alternate the racks. So one side will have the support bar over here, the other side will have the support bar over here. And then when you roll it up onto your frame, there's this knob here. Come around here, see this knob? All you do is twist that, and then look at this, it's clamp tightens. There you go, and to release it, pull the trigger. Happy days. So let's start with the fitting procedure. So you're gonna have your empty box, right, and just nothing on top of it. All you have to do is measure in from each side, on this box anyway, a certain measurement, 170 mil, and then you mark your bolts, you drill some 8 mil holes, and then you line up your rails. Now this is what's going to be different in the fitting kit. If you've got a 2 bike kit, it'll be this size. If you've got a 3 bike kit, this rail will be longer. If you've got a 4 bike kit, it'll be longer again. So you can just fit an extra bike rack here and here, so on. So they just extend out further. Then all you have to do is put your 8 mil bolts from the bottom up into some T-slot nuts, tighten them up, and that pulls your rail down onto your toolbox. And then you just follow the instructions in the Thule kit and mount your bike rack to this top rail. And then while it's loose, this is how you tighten them and loosen them. So you can loosen these, slide your rail where it needs to be, tighten them up, and they're all lockable. So you can lock these on, and you can also lock the clamps on once they're tightened, so no one can pinch your gear. Pretty good rack, simple to fit, and I'll tell you what, if you don't, it's a lot easier than trying to mount one to the back wall of your caravan, especially if you don't have the support in that back wall. So otherwise you'll bolt it through there, it'll end up just slopping around, your bikes will fall off, you'll tear a big hole in the back of your van. So there you go. I'll put some links in here. You can get these toolboxes from ProTrek, and you can also get these fitting kits for the bike rack. Plus they do a heap of other cool stuff, which you'll find out when you get there. A lot of locks, cable locks, cool little gadgets for your caravanning and your lifestyle, mate. So anyway, I hope that helps you out. Hit me up if you've got any more questions, but get on it. Good way to chuck a couple of extra bikes on your caravan.